This is the other Indian. I'm here. I found some problems with my workflows. Sometimes uh, I need to align two objects in position, both position and rotations. But I can do it easily in Blender. So I search some tutorials, but it is not the one I needed. So I I test I test many times, and I figure out some tricks to some I figure out a technique to create position and rotation in Blender. So it is, in case you need you need a technique like me, it will help you. So let's see. I will add uh, cylinder, and I will add uh, okay, torches. So I move these torches a little bit and I rotate it. Yeah, so I want to position it exactly in this center and align in the directions of the torches. So I can do this by selecting this and select second select this. This is the edit object, so press Shift S and selection to edit. So this one this cylinder is moved to the center of the torches, but it is not oriented, not rotationally oriented. So you need to do this. Let's see the transform icon. Blender transform rotation, like transform rotation is like this. Transform align to transform orientation. This is I can use this, but this transform rotation is directed to the wall direction. So if I press this and at this time, uh, the torsos is rotated to the normal position, but I don't want this. I want the cylinder to rotate line to the torsos. So undo this, and to rotate the cylinder, you you will change this to normal or locate. Normal will work, locate will work. I see it is the same for me in this object, and in bone object normal works more perfect. So and you select normal, and this orientation icon is changed to the torches. So you can do this. Now the cylinder is rotated according to the direction of the torches. This action is sometimes needed to to camera tracking and camera movement. I need something like this. So let's say I animate this camera to this direction. So I want another projection camera to create. I don't Sometimes camera cannot be copied because it has some issue, like constraint or something. So you can copy this camera. So you must position and orientate it like this in this situation. you can choose normal or locate, then select this camera and second this camera and press Shift S selection to edit and transform align to transform rotation. So now you can this two camera align perfectly. I will do this again with the cylinder. You need to do all you need to do is change this to locate or normal, not global. And you can say this locate first, then select the one you want to move and select the other ones you want to position the master. So Shift S and selection to edit. So this time it is not working. Why? Select this and select this, Shift S selection to edit. Sometimes you have to do it in for second time. I don't know why. So this time not working. Transform to not working. So and this normal is object transform line to transform. Oh yeah, it is working now. So I think you must use normal. Normal is more good than locate. So select one, this one will move, and second this camera and Shift S selection to edit, then object transform align to transform orientation. So I move this. Let's check again. Shift S to selection to edit and object transform align to transform rotation. Okay, so you must use normal to work properly. So this is the technique. Thanks for watching.